welcome guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So basically we're playing Minecraft again. And yeah. What is this like team fight? No, I'm not doing team fight. I'm gonna do battle team, but this time I'm gonna do that. Joining. I'm here. Okay, there's so okay. Everybody attack on the pigs. I'm supposed to be on the pig team because I'm technoblade. Alright, I don't care. I'm just gonna go. I'm just running running there. Yes. Yes, running. Kill him. I believe I can kill him. Because I believe that I can kill him. Seriously, he just killed me. He just killed me right now. I'm playing it again, but this time I'm not going to like run all the way to them and kill one. I didn't kill anybody. I'm in the pig soup like I could. You just look at me. I look like Technoblade. Yeah. Alright, we're here. We are here right now. We are here. Alright, we are here right now. Go. Alright, everybody. I'm waiting for them to come, or else I just don't die. Because I don't. Oh, it's a grenade launcher. I can use it when I need it. A grenade launcher. Oh, useful. Come here. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, I got your autism. Somebody's shooting me. It's not good. It's not good using this. Kill somebody. I'm about to die. I need to run. Oh, they just killed me. Now he should steal my thing. Alright. Oh my god. Plant spawn. Who's on the server? Oh, there's a lot. What I'm just gonna do is just gonna kill people. All I know is just how to kill people. Where are they? I'm gonna kill them. And there's so many pigs here. Technoblade. Technoblade's a pig. Yeah. It's got a lot of chaos in the enemy base. I'm making lots of chaos there. How do I continue? Okay. So I'm making a lot of chaos. I'll have to back up there. Kill him. No, you cannot kill me. Yes, I killed him first. No! Holy rooster just killed me. No, you can't just kill me like that. No. Alright, once I see an enemy, I just kill you. There's still two players, right now, technically. Okay, I'm taking cover for my killing stuff. Yes, I killed him. I killed him. Technoblade just killed a lot of them on their base. Alright, no, ran out of bombs. The bomb's gonna explode right now. I hear bombs saying, okay. Okay, the bomb's gonna about to explode. Where's the bomb? Up there. Alright. I hear everybody. I don't know how to play this game actually. It's a new game. Oh. Well, why is everybody defending? Whatever, I don't care. Oh, that's a teammate. Why is this? Oh, yeah. I'm defending. Defend. First. Oh. Defend. Okay. I'm defending. Alright, the chickens right now. Yes, the pig got 1 point. Okay. The pig has got 1 point. For the pig will win. I knew this. Yeah. I just take a lot of damage to them. I think I didn't kill any of them, but I just did a lot of damage to them. Yeah. Oh, okay. You see, no. This, did I kill him? Yeah, I think so. Still person behind me. They're also full of health. I need them to stick together. So I can kill them easily. First enemy. I run too fast right now. Let me get out here. Okay. Jump. Let me. Alright, let me. There. I just killed somebody. Killed one of them. Alright. Yes. It's free. Alright. Hello. Alright. Do we have the bomb? I don't know. Kill them. Alright. Where did I go? I need to find an enemy. What's going on? Bomb place. Plant bomb. Oh, the chicken planted the bomb. Oh. Okay. What? I have the bomb? Oh, yeah. Oh. What did I do with the bomb? What did I do with the bomb? I don't know. I'm not supposed to have it. I don't know. Delete ARB. Okay. This is them delivering it to me. Yeah, how did... Help! Oh no, I dropped the bomb. Somebody pick the bomb up. Somebody needs to pick it, and I'm not supposed to have the bomb. Oh, so many of them. You turn it